So we all have experienced this. You want to change your body on the New Year's resolution. You have written, I'm going to start on Monday. And you get motivated to work out. And Monday comes, you work out. That motivation is real. And on Tuesday, all that motivation is just gone. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks that I used when I experienced this feeling of not getting motivated and not pushing through that I don't want to work out voice in my head and get the habit of working out. Trick number 1, sit down and write your why. Why do you work out? Why do you want to change your body? If you don't have a reason to work out, you're not gonna keep working out. You're not gonna be motivated to work out. So sit down and write, I want to work out because of this, this, this. And put it on your wall, put it on your phone, I don't care. Just I want you to remember these things every single day. And attach your why with your emotions on an emotion level. You know, it might be the bullies, it might be that girl. These are like the things that you're gonna feel in an emotional level. So every day you don't want to work out. Every day you hear that voice, I'm tired, I don't want to do this, I'm gonna do this tomorrow. Just remember, read from what you have written. So use these things as a Kindle to have that inner motivation. Number 2, have a structured workout routine. The reason you hate working out is because you don't know what you're gonna do. You don't have any idea what you're gonna do when you start working out. So have a structured workout routine that you're gonna follow on a day-to-day basis. Maybe 2 times a week, 4 times a week, or every day, I don't care, but just have that structured routine. You know what you're gonna do when you train on Monday, when you train on Tuesday. You know exactly what exercises that you're gonna do. And you have to see improvements in your exercise. They have to be measured. If you cannot measure your workouts, if you cannot see improvements in numbers or in intensity, you're not going to be motivated to work out. Next one, work out at your home. Yeah, don't get that gym membership. You're not going to work out. Like if you hate working out, having that gym membership is never going to do anything to your life. You waste your money, you waste your time and everything. So as I told you, have a structured routine, but just working out at home. Because when you have a gym membership, you think all these things. I have to go to the gym and then I have to come home, I have to take a shower, you know, all these routines. But if you work out at home, there's not, like, you don't have to go outside, you just can work out in your bedroom. Number 4, have a figure that you follow on social media, on the movies that you watch. Maybe it's a friend. Imagine on your feed there are a lot of bodybuilders, aesthetic people. You're looking at them. They just motivate you, you know, those influencers. So follow those people. That will make you accountable for your workouts. You see them working out, you see them on their stories, they're getting up in the morning, they're working out. That will motivate you. Imagine yourself being like them. Imagine yourself having their physique. Imagine yourself having that, living that life. Next trick, the 40% rule. This term is used by David Goggins. When you are starting to tire and you feel like giving up, you're only 40% of what you are truly capable of achieving. So whenever you feel tired, you don't want to work out, you're sad, you're depressed, you have 60% more capacity that you don't know that you can push through. Know this, whenever you feel tired, alright, I feel tired, I'm only 40% done, I have 60% to go, let's go, man. Alright, bonus tip here. Don't beat yourself up, okay? Sometimes life doesn't go as how you planned it to go. Sometimes you don't do the things that you have to do. Sometimes you don't do things that you should do. And beating yourself up is not the solution for this. Just sometimes relax, chill, don't take your life too seriously. You know, sometimes there are those days you just don't feel like doing things. And a lot of people who think they're perfect and who tell you that their life is all perfect, that they're doing these routines every single day, they're lying, man. We all are humans. Sometimes we don't feel like doing things, and those days you just have to, you know, pass it. Hype yourself up and move on. I hope this video was helpful and knowledgeable for you, and use these tricks to get you motivated. Don't forget them. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.